How to remove Peugeot 318 on Carstar. This is probably one of the most annoying clusters to remove, but with this video I believe it will be very much more easier to do. Here we have our Carstar that's already off the vehicle. Now on the top you're going to see I've marked them in pink. There are little creases that show you where you need to put in a sort of metal. It could be a screwdriver or any other metal piece that goes through the two at the top and two at the bottom. These all need to be done at the same time, and I'm going to show you how. Now, from that crease, you can see that it goes on top and then slides through, and then it will hit onto a clip. This thing needs to be about 15 centimeters long. As you can see, it did not make the distance. In thickness, this was a T20 Torx. The distance between there and there is about 12 centimeters. And just showing you again, a normal screwdriver of that length does not fit and does not go through. So it needs to have a certain thickness and length. Now I've cut out the dash. I don't want to have to say this, but don't cut out the dash. I've only cut it out to show you what happens behind the scenes. Those are the clips, two on the top, and what happens is when you push in with a metal piece or screwdriver, you unclip the cluster by pushing those parts. So over here we're going to put the cluster back on, and you can see those little creases, two at the top and two at the bottom. And so right there, you stick in your tool, and you can feel the clip from the back. And to show you, I cannot stress this enough, don't cut out your dash. This is just for educational purposes to show you. And so, okay, so we've put in our tool, and you are going to see shortly that from that part you will need to get it in line and then push that clip and unclip, and you'll need to do this on all four of those clips at the same time and then pull out the cluster. So you can see I am pushing the clip with my tool and it's unclipped now. So it'll need to stay in this position, and all four of them need to be done as well. And the tool that I used, I'm going to measure the distance of the top part. So from there to there, this is about 15 centimeters. And the bottom part of the cluster, you're going to need about 12 centimeters. And to show you the bottom part, those crevices or creases you can see on your own cluster, and it's the same idea, except the bottom part is a bit shorter than the top. So there you go. And it's the same idea as the top part of the cluster. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have found it helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to support the channel, and we will see you in our upcoming videos.